he's a great chef, and he has worked in many different countries, and he was the chef to the royal family of UK for the last 4 decades, and served many of the head of the states, including UK and America, and he worked in different countries, including Japan and Sweden and Switzerland, and he has more than 50 gold medals and 120 diplomas, and he has a museum at the Caesar's colleges in Switzerland, and he has a Mosimann club in London, and we are extremely happy to have him with us.
If I can be of any help, because sometimes young people need a bit of help. You know, they may be trapped in the wrong way or not quite sure, they're not quite happy, and so you have to help them. And I'm always very open-minded to help young people, because we need good, young, committed professionals everywhere in the world. So it's a shortage. And that is, so I think that's a good base to start.